Why start small? Starting with a small investment reduces risk, helps you manage emotions, and builds confidence. It's a smart way to learn without facing significant financial losses. Additionally, starting small allows you to experiment with different strategies without the pressure of high stakes, making it easier to focus on learning the fundamentals. 2. Choose the right broker and market. Pick a broker with low minimum deposits, fractional trading, or microlots. Look for brokers that offer user-friendly platforms, educational resources, and responsive customer support. Start in markets like stocks via fractional shares, which allow you to invest in expensive stocks with small amounts of capital. Forex, microlots, which are ideal for beginners to trade small positions. Cryptocurrencies, with careful risk management and a clear understanding of the volatility involved. 3. Use risk management. Risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade to prevent a single loss from significantly impacting your account. Use stop-loss orders to cap potential losses and protect your investment in volatile markets. Avoid high leverage to prevent large swings in your account balance and ensure your trades remain manageable. Proper risk management also helps you stay in the game longer, even when encountering losses. 4. Focus on simple strategies. Stick to basic trading strategies that are easy to learn and implement, like trend following. Trade in the direction of price movement, which is often easier to predict for beginners. Support and resistance. Identify levels where prices often reverse, giving you clear entry and exit points. Simplicity reduces confusion and helps you focus on execution and improving your skills over time. 5. Track progress and keep learning. Maintain a journal to log trades, strategies, and outcomes. This helps you analyze what works, identify mistakes, and refine your approach. Learn continuously through books, webinars, online forums, and practice with demo accounts. Small, consistent steps and a growth mindset lead to long-term success in the markets. Start small, stay disciplined, and grow steadily.